Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fettby, and this will probably be my last break of SP Hockey Retail Edition. I only picked these up because there was another item I was trying to get, the Optic Football Fat Packs. So to kind of add some protection to those packs, I said, what the heck, I'll get some more SP Hockey. It's been treating me fairly well, so I said, well, we'll give it a shot with 2 more boxes. So, here we go. Won't spend a lot of time chit-chatting about it. We'll just get into ripping it. What is there, 6 packs, if I remember correctly? 8 packs. I guess I remembered incorrectly. But yeah, 5 cards a pack, 8 cards, or 8 packs a box, excuse me. So, see if I can finally hit an autograph. I know they're extremely difficult to hit, and I've had some decent luck getting things like the Pyrotechnic Gold. Just trying to see if I still had my J. Rob still here. I should have put it in the background to start with. Kind of set them right there. It looks so nice. So you get basically the blue parallels in here, if you have not seen this before. So we've got a Tyson Barrie for the Oilers, Jonathan Huberdeau for the Panthers, Jordan Staal, got a Tyler Benson, authentic rookie, and a John Tavares blue. And you're not guaranteed to get a numbered card, but it seems like you kind of expect to get a relic or a numbered card in a blaster. Not that I've ripped a lot of blasters, but so we got Alex Tuck, sorry about that, I had a cough. Matt Murray for the Senators, Miro Heiskanen, Dallas Stars, and an Olli Juolevi rookie authentic. Come on. Next pack. Dustin Brown, Evgeny Malkin, Elias Pettersson, Jake Ottinger, and a Thomas Hertl blue. I think now I just need a Kaprizov. Connor Hellebuyck, John Carlson, Bo Horvat, a Jordan Staal blue, and a Keandra Miller for the Rangers. Next pack. That's a blue. Colton Parayko, Nathan MacKinnon, David Perron, an authentic profile of Connor Hellebuyck, and a Vasilevsky blue. So I guess you can kind of say that's a color match. Team colors color match. Next pack. Oh, we got a relic. Josh Bailey, Ryan Getzlaf, Alexander Romanov, and a Thomas Harley relic. And the Romanov. Who I believe is on the Islanders now. Patrice Bergeron. Matthew Barzal for the Islanders. Ryan Zingle. Braden Shen for the Blues. And a Jason Robertson blue. So put that with the regular, or the regular with the Pyrotechnic Gold. This might be another duplicate pack, because I see Jake on the back. And a Jake Gensel, Leon Draisaitl, Carey Price, and a numbered Dylan Larkin. I can't make out the first part of that number. It looks like 131. Yeah, it looks like 131 of 22.99, and then a Kiefer Bellows. So that's kind of a rarity to get both a relic and a numbered card. Put those together. On to box 2. If I can get my fingers underneath the frickin' plastic. Those 8 packs. And here we go. Zach Parise for the Wild, Sean Moynihan for the Flames, Yandel for the Panthers, Liam Foudy for the Blue Jackets, and a Brady Tkachuk SP Blue. Anders Lee, and on the back we had a Brady Tkachuk for the Ottawa Senators. Oh, relic in this one already. Authentic profile for Roman Josi, and a Lafreniere. Jersey card. And our little authentic profile insert. And I knew I was going to have it open. Another bag of pennies. Nico Hischier for the Devils. Quinn Hughes for Vancouver. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins for the Oilers. Victor Hedman for the Lightning. And a Josh Norris. Next pack. Looks like we got a Philip Grubauer, who's of course with the Kraken. Teuvo Teravainen, Hurricanes. Yanni Gourde. A Tim Stützle. And a Sean Moynihan. I think this is my second Stützle. So I got both Brady and, or excuse me, not Brady, sorry. Josh Norris and Mitch Marner, Mark Scheifele, Brock Besser, Nuge Blue, and a Sveshnikov Authentic Profile. So I guess the question now is, will there be a numbered card after hitting that Laffy relic? Oh, we got something. Shea Theodore, Andrei Sveshnikov, Joe Pavelski, Dylan Cousins, and a gold, looks like Authentic Profile. It's numbered 271 of 999 of a Teuvo Teravainen for the Carolina Hurricanes. Seems like there's a lot of Carolina Hurricanes on these Authentic Profiles. So there's a numbered one there, along with the Dylan Cousins SP Authentic. So probably not going to get anything else numbered. It'd be sweet if I got a Jason Robertson autograph, but I think my chances are getting slimmer and slimmer by the pack. Kyle Palmieri for the Devils, Pierre-Luc Dubois for the Jets, Nick Suzuki for Montreal, Ilya Sorokin, Rookie Authentic for the Islanders, and a Zach Parise for the Wild, Blue Parallel. Come on. Last pack. Can I hit anything else? Looks like another Authentic Profile. So I'm going to say no autograph. Oh. It's got a Darcy Kemper for the Coyotes, Martin Jones for the Sharks, Kyle Connor for the Jets, Matt Zuccarello for the Wild, and our last rookie Authentic is going to be a Bowen Byram for the Stanley Cup champ Colorado Avalanche. So, do a quick recap here. So, for all the rookie Authentics, got the Jason Robinson, Bowen Byram, Ilya Sorokin, Dylan Cousins, Tim Stützle, Josh Norris, Liam Foudy, Kiefer Bellows, Alexander Romanov, Keandra Miller, Jake Ottinger, Olio Levy, Tyler Benson. For the two relics, one per blaster, which is not typical. Got the Lafreniere in Blaster 2 and Thomas Harley in Blaster 1. And then as well, got two numbered inserts, both of them being the Authentic Profiles, a gold, and then I'm guessing this is just considered a base one, or silver. I'm not sure. I'd have to look again at the checklist. But the Dylan Larkin is 131 of 22.99, and then the gold one is 271 of 9.99. So yeah, that concludes this break of two blasters of 2021, right? Yeah, 2020-21 SP Hockey. So, hope you all enjoyed this video and have a great rest of your day. And as always, keep collecting.